guys, it's the Fuser. Today I'm gonna show you how to play on Minecraft without any account. You can play on the single player mode and some of the multiplayer servers. Just follow my steps. You just select the link. Don't worry, it will be in the description. You paste it. I'm already logged in, but for you all you have to do is just download it. So once you download it, you select Windows. Well, if you play on Windows, but it's better to play on Windows because Ubuntu and Mac OS lags a bit sometimes. And you select the app, the launcher. So the good thing is that you can play on any username. Say for example, you can John20 and you play. See? And on this moment, John20, the real account, can't play. So it's really a good hack. So you just wait till it launches. I'm in the game. So as you can see, I didn't purchase Minecraft, but I can play without paying 23 bucks. See? So it's a really cool hack. So you can play first in the single player modes. For example, YouTube 2. You can create, of course, some new worlds. See? You can kill, you can do whatever you want. It's like the real Minecraft game. And you even have you can even use commands like game mode C. I didn't put the allow cheating, but see, you can do it when you want to edit your world. See? So for the Minecraft multiplayer modes, there are some servers like Hypixel that has strong antivirus that will detect the launcher that I'm using. So if you try to connect, it will say failed to login, access token cannot be null or empty. That means that I cannot connect to the server because my password is empty, because I'm not even using a password. So it's the same in some other servers, but there are like Energy Gaming that has zero protection. You can connect, see, without any problem, and you can play like it's like you paid 23 bucks, but you didn't. So you can play PvP faction. So see, as you can see, I'm in the game. But we got other guys. I'm just gonna show you around a bit. Don't forget, don't forget. I'm gonna put for you a list of servers like Energy Gaming that has zero protection. See? Okay. Well, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you soon in a new tutorial. Bye.